All right, solving trigonometric equation involving quadratic formula. As you may see, not every single quadratic second degree trigonometric equation may be simply solved by factoring. So this is why you have to be aware of the application of quadratic formula. And this is simply attained by substitution first. So we'll say let cosx be z. Okay, so now 5z squared plus 6z, and I'm going to rearrange that by moving 8 to the left. So take away 8 is equal to 0. So you may see that the product, if you were to attempt factoring, so let's say, okay, I want to do that. So the product is negative 40, the sum is 6, and then I'll spend time figuring out whether it's possible or not. So if I can see it right away, immediately I proceed to the application of quadratic formula. So quickly remind you that the formula that we're going to use is as follows. So negative b plus or minus the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. Everything is by 2a. And what is a, b, and c? So a coefficient is equal to 5. B is equal to 6. C is equal to negative 8. Okay, so what do we do now? Quickly substitute. So Z, then you have negative 6 plus or minus. So we throw 6 squared, that's how that works, minus 4 times 5 times negative 8. So this is the step that you should know right away. The discriminant will not be negative because you end up adding 4 times 5 times 8 to 36. And everything is divided by 2a, since a is 5, so this is what will that be equivalent to. So now you should simplify. You will get negative 6 plus or minus. So what will be inside? 1, because 4 times 5, 20 times 8, 160, 36, added together it's 196. Square root 196 is 14, so I have plus or minus 14 divided by 10. Alright, so simplify. Z will be equal to negative 6 plus 14, so 4 over 5. Or Z will be equal to negative 2. So now, just remember, cosine x is z. All right. So what are we going to do? We have to solve it for x. So cos x is equal to 4 over 5, or cos x is equal to negative 2. Quickly take a look at the cosine function involved, so, or the ratio, where the minimum maximum ranges from between negative 1 and positive 1. So to attain value of negative 2, not possible. So you will reject this. There is no solution here. So what you want to do, solve it for cosine x where the ratio is less than 1. So you anticipate to have 2 roots for that. Now remember, cosine x is positive in the first quadrant and in the fourth quadrant. So you must provide 2 roots. Remember, the domain is 0 to 2 pi. So this is not the case where you would use special angle values. So simply find x by using your calculator. So cos inverse 4/5 and 2 roots. So the first one, when you get your calculator, you punch in the numbers, okay, and you get 0.6435. The next one, you will find 2 pi minus that. So 5.6396. So how did I find this root? As 2 pi minus 0.6435. All right. So this is the solution for root number 1 and root number 2. So just remember, sometimes you will be able to do factoring. At other times, you're going to have to employ the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is a very useful tool, as you may see. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.